Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this cool fluid interaction effect in UE 5.3. So you can see this looks really cool. And also I have this big sphere animated. So you can see how cool it looks. So let's start this tutorial how I created this whole setup. So, so basically this is the sequencer I have and I have set up my Niagara system here and then one animated sphere. And this sphere is just placed here that I can use to move manually. So you can see this really looks cool. So what I have done, it is already created in fact, but I will create it again. So let's create a new folder here, test. Okay, and I will just create a new label. Just delete this and okay, and this ground and also light. Let's make two. Okay, so let me rename my original effect FX. And in this test folder, let's create this again. So first I need